Hello my crochet friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna use Himalaya Dolphin Baby Plush Yarn to show you how to switch the color when you crocheting with plush yarn. And hook number 4.5. This way of color change is very neat and beautiful. So your amigurumi toy will look beautiful and won't lose their charm. It's very simple and secure way. All we need to do is start crocheting single crochet, and when we will have 2 loops on our hook, we need to pull through the thread of the other color, as you see on your screen. 1, 2. And pull through the changing color thread. We almost done. Now all we need to make is secure the new thread. Tight a bit the first color thread and hide the tail of the second thread and the first thread behind your crocheting. Cut the first color thread, and here you can make a knot. I usually make 3 knots to better secure, and we are safe to continue our crocheting. And now we know that our thread secured firmly here. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please write comments below, in such a way I will know that you need such a videos. Bye.